Greetings, fellow Gators. Welcome to another part of the Project Apophis, and this will be the second part of the assembly videos. So we will continue right where we started previously. Okay, so in today's video, we will actually take a look at the second segment, which is this, and the links attached to it. Um, So yeah, basically this is how the helmet will look after we, you know, assemble everything together. So we will have this slider here, and we will have the link number 3 and 4, both twice attached, and then we will basically have this. Okay. I think that's not much to say about it, so I guess let's go straight to actually assembling it.
Okay, so here we have the parts. As you can see, I already inserted all those pins. So we have the same pins as in the first segment, and here we have the three very small ones. And now we will actually take this part and we will insert it here. So like this. For that, we have this pin here. Now this is not a special pin. I simply printed the normal pin that we have here and simply broke off the head. Because the head cannot be there, it's unfortunately we cannot have it there, but yeah, so I put it here and simply okay, I will put once again one small washer so that it's so yeah, and we do the same for the second one. Yeah, so as you can see, three holes, so it goes together like that, but we will not push that together yet because uh, we have this long shaft, and now we can actually put it. Now I didn't mention, but as you can see, I already have the bust of the Jaffa here. This is something I will not waste time filming because it's very simplistic, so I think everyone can figure out how to assemble it. And I already have the first segment here. Now what I need to do is to actually put it through that. Then I will put a washer, and now we can I will put it like that so it's very well visible. So yeah, and the two halves are together. And now the those two links that are here, they have to be attached to this hole. So for that we have a pin like this. So I will simply align them properly and Okay, that's one. And okay, that's two. All right, but that's not all. Now we have this piece, and this piece goes to that hole, yeah, on the very top. So one like this, yeah, I have it up, and the second okay, but that's not all. We have to close it now, and we have to put the small 12mm pin or 14mm pin through this hole in this link, so that the pin slides through this slider. So I will open it like that. Hopefully it will be visible. Well, it won't be. I have to put it like that so that you can see it. Okay, that's one. And that's two. And now when we close it, okay, the mechanism works. So now we will take this piece and simply, yeah, but for that we have to close it. So one and two. Now, in order for it to hold together better, you can always use glue and glue those parts in for more strength. But I don't want to do it just yet. First, I want to have the entire assembly done. Then we can do that. As you can see, it still works. Though without the serpent head, it doesn't want to stay up. Yeah, gravity is now our enemy. Okay, but that's it. I hope it was clear, and then we will go to another part.